HC Verma solution, chapter 3, question number 8. Figure 3E3 shows the graph of the velocity versus time for a particle going along the x-axis. Find A. The acceleration, B. The distance traveled in 0 to 10 seconds, and C. The displacement in 0 to 10 seconds. Here a graph is given in the question. This is the graph of velocity versus time. That means from here we can see velocity increases linearly with time. Solution, we have acceleration is equals to rate of change of velocity with respect to time. Since the graph of B and T is straight line, the acceleration is constant in the time t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 10 seconds, and the acceleration will be given by the slope of AB line. Let it be A point and let it be B point. Here the velocity increases linearly with respect to time, and the acceleration will be given by the slope at the various points of the slope of the tangent at various points of this curve. Since it is the straight line, then the slope of this AB line gives the acceleration of the particle. Let's see here. Now acceleration is equals to the slope of AB. Here CB, let this point be C. CB is 6 and AC is 10. Then the slope of this AB is 6 divided by 10 is equals to 0.6 meter per second square. Also, let us find the displacement at first. The displacement is given by the area under velocity time graph with the time axis within the ordinates at t is equals to 0 second to and t is equals to 10 second. Here the displacement will be given by the area made by the curve, area under the curve with time axis between the ordinates at t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 10 second. That means the displacement will be given by the area of A, B, D and O. Here the displacement will be, or it can also be said that the displacement will be given by the triangle of area of triangle ABC plus area of the parallelogram ACDO. Therefore the displacement is area of triangle ABC plus area of the parallelogram ACDO. The area of the triangle is half into base into height plus area of the parallelogram is length into breadth into height, length into breadth, is equals to, here it will give the answer 30 and it will give the answer 20. So the final displacement is 50 meter. Again the velocity is positive all the time. If you see the graph, then here the velocity is in the increasing manner, and all the time the velocity is positive. That means the body moves in the same x-axis direction. The velocity is positive all the time within the time interval t is equals to 0 second to t is equals to 10 second. So the body moves in the same direction in this time interval. So displacement itself is also the distance traveled by the body. Therefore the distance is 50 meter.